Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 3.6, Problem 14. This is Section 3.6, problem number 14. It says write the number as a decimal, and we have 5/12. So with any of these, write it as a decimal. If you have the use of a calculator, just do the numerator divided by the denominator equals, and the calculator will give you the decimal answer right away. If you don't have a calculator, what you have to do is set up a division problem. So the denominator of your fraction will be written in front of the division problem. The numerator will be written under the division symbol. So I have 12 divided into 5. Well, 5 is not big enough. 12 won't fit in. So write the 5 as a 5.0 and treat it as if it's a 50. And as you do that, your decimal that you write has to go straight up vertically into the answer. So 12 divided into 50. Well, it will go in. Let's see. It's going to make it too big. Let's do 4. 4 times 12 is 48. That's pretty close. Now, 50 minus 48 is 2. So it did not go in evenly. That's okay. So I can write another 0 for the number under the division symbol, make it 5.00, and bring that 0 down, and it'll turn the 2 into a 20. Now, 12 divides into 20. Well, only once. 2 12s is 24, so I've gotten too big, so only once. 1 times 12 is 12. 20 minus 12 is 8. And it still didn't go in evenly. So I have to add another 0 on the top, and then bring it straight down next to the 8. It becomes an 80. 12 times something is close to 80. Let's see. 12 times 6 is 72. And then 7 would be too big. So 6 is what I need. So 6 times 12 is 72. And then I'll do 80 minus 72 is 8. So it still didn't go in evenly. That's all right. So I add another 0 on the top. Bring the 0 straight down, goes next to the 8, makes it an 80. So it's the same number I had before. So it's going to be the same thing, 6. So 6 times 12, again, is 72. 80 minus 72 is 8 again. So the same thing happens. I can bring down another 0, but I can see now I'm going to keep doing 6, get 72. When I subtract, I'm going to get 8. And it's just always 8 that turns into an 80. I get a 72. So it's going to keep being 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. It's never going to stop. So the answer is 0.4166666. The 6's go on forever. And that's the answer. Now, that's one way of writing the answer. Or a shorter way that says the same thing is 0.41, and then the 6 will have a bar over it. Notice the bar is only over the 6, not the whole thing. Because if I put it over the whole 416, that would mean the answer is 416, 416, 416 forever. It's just 416666. Only the part that repeats gets the bar over it. Now, if you like, you can put a 0 in front of that, make it 0.416 with the bar over it. Either way there is okay. Or if you don't like the bar, you can put several 6's and then dot, dot, dot after. It'll say the same thing. But it's more writing.